Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the air filter in your Acura Integra. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and your new air filter. Make sure the new filter is the correct size and type for your specific Integra model. You'll find the air filter housing under the hood, usually a black box connected to the engine's intake system. It's a straightforward process that can improve your car's performance. Now let's get to the filter. The air filter housing is usually secured by clips or a few screws. Use your screwdriver to loosen any screws, then unclip the latches. Gently lift the cover off. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how it's seated. This will help you correctly install the new one. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old air filter. You might notice it's quite dirty, which is normal. Before putting in the new one, quickly wipe out any leaves or debris from inside the housing. Now, place your fresh air filter into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and in the same orientation as the old one. It should fit perfectly without forcing it. Almost done. Carefully place the air filter housing cover back into position. Ensure all edges align correctly. Re-engage all the clips and tighten any screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is secure. Once the housing is sealed, you can start your Integra. You've just completed a simple maintenance task that helps your engine breathe better and run more efficiently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.